have a hair clip, and sometimes the pin that joined the two pieces together is out, and this is the situation that you have. You have the two pieces, the pin, the spring, and you want to join them together, but it's quite difficult. So let me show you how it's done. You take the spring, and this is what the spring tries to do. It tries to like to close the jaws of this clip. This is how it's done here. It's try to push these two pieces. So you have to take the spring, and then you take the pin and just put it like that. Make sure that the head of the pin is on the upside. Okay. And then you can take a tube. I took a aluminum tube. The material doesn't really matter. Okay. The diameter is 8 millimeters approximately. So you want to take both ends of the spring. So you need to make a gap because you want to assemble both ends. So it's easier with a gap. Okay, and this part is, I think, the most important. Okay, I tried to do it several times. You need to assemble both ends. Okay, take both ends. So like I did it like 5 times and I couldn't make it. This is the fifth time, I think. And one last time, I hope. Okay, you try to to get both ends inside the tube, and once you've done it like so, game over. Okay, you can take out the gap, the thing that makes the gap, and both ends are here. So the strength of the spring is pulling against the tube, and it doesn't pull against the pin. So you can take the pin out as so, and then just put the other part, the other plus part as so, and you can put the pin and skewer the two pieces together. Okay, this should be relatively easy. Just make sure that the tube keeps the two pieces of the spring together. After you have skewered the two plastic pieces as so, you can just pull out the tube. This is it. You have a brand new clip.